Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Blockchain Tech. If this is your first time, this is your friend Gary the Crypto Bro. Welcome back to my channel CryptoTech Today. So I am back after few I think it's few weeks. So since last recent update about Verasity and the altcoin market and the Bitcoin dominance, there has been quite a lot of changes on the crypto market. So we have seen the Bitcoin reach around 99k and the Ethereum around 3650 something like that, and the other lot of altcoins pumps at that times, AI coins, and there's obviously meme coins. So this video I want to talk about the lot of other trading things as respect like Bitcoin, Ethereum, other coin. This video is specifically for Verasity, so only for Verasity Verasity investors. So current at the time of the recording, like last time when I make the video, Veracity was around like 0.0031 something like that. So it already did 3x from that level. So currently stand around 0.0077 to around 0.7008. So we are soon reaching to the level of 0.01, which was the having month high. So let's get in deep to the. I will show you the chart of the Veracity and how it's looking, and how it's gonna perform in the like within the next 2 months, as I will explain you detail about these things and the altcoin season as well. So here I am at coin market cap. As you can see that at the time of this recording, the crypto total market cap is 3.45 trillion, and Bitcoin alone is around 1. Sorry, 1.9 trillion. So let's check about the Veracity and how the Veracity is doing its things with respect to all the other crypto markets. So since the video last, since it's already pumped up around 0.007528. So due to the the all coins are pumping, as well as there we are getting the news that there is the like Veracity team will update in Twitter about the POV migrations details to Tron blockchain. So with this hype and all the things of changing of tokenomics, and it's obviously it's a quarter force. So Veracity has been pumping 3x in some months. You can see that it's 210% in a month. That's a really good, as it following the other altcoin market. I think that in the altcoin maybe next 2 to 3 months, if the altcoin market blown off, then I see Veracity to reach the previous all-time high, as well as like if POB separation and that things, everything will goes according to plan, and the market cap, supply, circulating supply, max supply, all this tokenomic fix, then I'm definitely seeing the Veracity around 0.3 to 0.5 cent, and that's a great time to have take a profit at that time. But still I'm very bullish on the Veracity. Let's check the Veracity Twitter, that what they are updating. So this is the Veracity Twitters. They have, like I already mentioned in my last video, they have done a lot of partnerships they have done the partnership with UAE government under the Ministry Economic Next Gen initiative. So I have already mentioned about these things. So other things is here that they have recently done the partnership with the Appflix official. So it's just they will Appflix official will add up the Vera views for their content library. They're the bullish things at their they are generating revenue, and their product, Veracity product, are using by the other blockchain as well. So this is like they have speak about the Vera views, how we can use the Vera view, and that things they have mentioned in the Twitter. So on the December 1st, at the time it's December 3, maybe they will have already do the tokenomics, listing up tokenomics their things. So they have mentioned that with several client announcement lined up for the coming week along the ongoing development of Vera wallet. So Vera wallet is Vera wallet 2.0 is launching December 3rd. So at the time of the recording, maybe, so it will be like for 12 hours the Vera wallet website won't work. So they are updating it to Vera wallet 2.0 so that it can support the POV migrations, and That's the big news. So anyone who have staked the Verasity token on their Vera wallet, they will get the POV token airdrop. So which will soon Verasity will move the 90 billions current max supply token to the Tron blockchain. So they will be giving these things as well. So they will see, we are finalizing our latest tokenomics fact. So they are finalizing their latest tokenomics documents. So we'll publish them soon. Maybe after the recording, they should have published their facts. But still, I will give you the update when they do the same things. But the main thing is Verasity in this, like the pump stage, Verasity is looking very bullish. So this when it was like 0.031, it already did 3x. So I will also show you Verasity and Bitcoin chart. So Verasity doing good in respect to the Bitcoin. So here is showing the buy signal in the weekly chart. So that's called the double bottom, and I feel that still we have a lot of room to grow. See, it's double bottom. So Verasity have like shown this last time when it get grain on the March, then it pumped around like more than you can like how many percent, this is like 2000%. So from this 2000% level, what we can expect is this 2000% is around like all-time high, previous all-time high. That's the bullish thing for Verasity. For the short term, let's check the Verasity what it's doing for the short term. So this is the monthly chart. Let's check the daily chart of the Verasity. When I was recording, like it's showing the buy signal. I think that also is above the 7 days EMA, 15 days EMA is already above that level. And if we break above that level, there's the next resistance at around a 0.016 level. So we have to check this level, 0.011 level. If we're able to pass that level, definitely we're gonna see more pump from this side. But it's still will take some time on these things. Maybe consolidation for the few days or weeks, then it can pump on the top. But this is very bullish that it is outperforming the other altcoin market and have already done 3x, and we're just starting on the bull market. Also, we can check that let's check the all season index. So all season index. So this is the all season index, and you can see that at the time of the recording. We are already in the all season, so it's all showing already on the all season. Maybe within the few weeks we can see the pump in the major altcoin. So basically how all crypto market follow is first Bitcoin pump, then after that Ethereum pump, then high caps top 10 cryptocurrencies pumps, then top 100 pumps, mid caps pump, then after that the micro cap pumps, and finally the meme coin pumps. So we already seen all these things going on crazy. So also that the Verasity pump at that time. So I think that like in this around 5 cent 50 cent is like out of nowhere, it should come there. So I have been updating on the Verasity and the all the crypto markets recently. So this is the Vera Wallet 2.0 upgrade news from the Verasity. So we have to inform our user from on plan. So they are on December 3. This is the current when I was recording. So once the maintenance, all active stakes will continue to become acquired. So everything will be fine. But just like they are making interoperability with the new POB tokens. So that's the big thing. So yeah, that's the update of the Verasity, and they were doing the blog post. I will do it later, and I'll talk more about that thing. So yeah. To be able to update in the fast way, just follow me on Twitter. We call it X. So follow me on Twitter, and I've been posting a lot of things about the Verasity. This is my Twitter profile, Gary Crypto Bro. Just search the Gary Crypto, follow this profile. So I've been updating about the Verasity update and the other cryptocurrency update as well. So I will do other altcoins update in my next videos, but for this video I'm only focusing on the Verasity here. So I've done a lot of update on the Verasity. So since like Verasity was like 0.0341 dollar, there's a lot of Verasity update coming from my end. I do the daily update on the technology update and that things. So that's the thing of the Verasity. So we're gonna be a mega bullish on this all season. So I am definitely seeing the Verasity around 5 cents to $1. Just like if everything POV migration and everything's going successful without any interruption, and the Bitcoin is like Bitcoin on top and without any pullback major corrections, if then definitely we're gonna see the 0.5 to $1. And at the time I'll be taking the profit from the Verasity, and that is the main the things that we have to look up with. So guys, hope you guys like our video, and that's the recent update of the Verasity, guys. So hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and hit the notification bell so that I can be updated from latest video. So follow me on Twitter X Gary Crypto Bro, and subscribe this channel. So I'll back with other video for any latest information. If you want to see me anything, just follow me on Twitter and message me there, so I'll reply back. So see you soon guys with another major update on Verasity and other altcoins, and thank you, bye.